In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color and style of the menu bar in Wix. We'll take a detailed look at enhancing your website's visual appeal by customizing the menu's appearance to suit your style, guiding you seamlessly through each step. Let's jump right in, starting with opening your Wix editor. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to www.wix.com. Once you're on the Wix website, log into your account if you haven't already and head over to your site's dashboard. Here, you'll find the option to open your site in the editor. Click on that, and your site will open in Wix's intuitive editing interface. Now focus your attention on the menu bar you wish to customize. Click on it. This selection will bring up a pop-up toolbar that is the key to making your changes. Next, we'll explore the design settings. Once you've selected your menu bar, look for the Design or Customize Design button on the pop-up toolbar. Click on it to open the menu design panel. This panel is where all the magic happens, presenting you with various customization options specifically for your menu bar. Now, let's change the colors. In the menu design panel, find and click on Fill, Color, and Opacity. Here you can choose new colors for the menu background as well as the hover and selected item states. If you're aiming for a layered look, adjust the transparency and gradient settings to your liking. If you want to change the actual color of the menu text, navigate to Text and then Color. By setting all these colors, you ensure consistency and enhance usability, making visual cues clear to your audience. Next, we'll adjust the style and font to complete the overall look. Under the text section, you can change the font style, size, letter spacing, and alignment of the menu items. For added flair, move on to customizing the hover effects. Consider adjusting borders and shadows as well. These features can contribute to a stylish and polished web menu that complements your website's overall aesthetic. With these steps, you've effectively changed the color and style of the menu bar in Wix. Make sure you periodically preview your site to see how these changes affect the overall look and feel. A well-designed menu bar not only improves your website's aesthetic, but also enhances user navigation, making your site more engaging and intuitive. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in customizing your Wix menu bar. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy designing!